I'm back again, guys, new and improved, and in this video I'll be showing you how I install my lace frontal and sewing. As you all know, the first thing we'll be doing is cornering the hair. I did a center part, as you can see. Afterwards, I'm doing this, I'm starting from the sides, so it's half and half. I take out my edges, and now I'm starting. So it's just the basic steps: under, over, cornrows. And this one is a pretty easy one because there are others that are complicated, but this is simple and go. And it is continued to the end. As you can see, it's pretty easy. And I'm going to be doing another one. Same process. Put the hair down in the same direction as the other. And we want to get started on this one right away. And I'm on the other half of my hair. As you can see, this side is complete. And note, guys, that they all go down on this side. The same process is required. It's the complete look, guys. They're all finished. And right now I'll be fastening the hair together in one big cornrow, going to the side. And the reason for this is so that you get a better and tighter sewing. This is necessary because you don't want the hair out. So we're going to just attach them together. You don't want any sticking out now. So we're going to bring this up on the other side and fasten that using needle and thread that you'll be using for the sewing. So we're going to fasten that to the side and make sure that you fasten it properly. It doesn't have to be perfect, just fastened enough. And I'm going to cut that using the scissors. I'll show you guys how it's set. Okay, so now we'll be starting. The first part, you know that this has to be fastened properly. This is the beginning of the hair. I'm just going to prolong that. Note the motion of the needle because it has a curved look. Just have to use that up. I'm going to double this. So because the hair is so long, we're going to just continue with above the first one and bend that like so and continue. And what you guys want to do is make sure that the needle is going through the weft of the hair properly. I'm going to show you guys how. So here's the weft, and you want to make sure that goes through it properly, through your hair and through the weft, so it's fastened properly. Same process, and we're in the middle of the hair now. And make sure guys, when you reach the end of the sewing, each row, it is fastened securely, as you can see. Okay, so guys, as you can see, this is the frontal now, and what I'm doing is that I am sewing it to my hair, the back of it. So I've made the frontals here, this is the back. Same process as we did the first steps. Just want to secure that frontal, and that's basically the center of your hair. You want to make sure it is fastened. So I'm just centering this right here, and you have to adjust it properly before sewing it in, because you don't want it to come too much on your fire, you don't want it to come too far, well fired. So you have to be careful. Okay, so now we'll be using the glue to attach the frontal, and this is the got to be glue. Just gonna put the right amount to fasten the frontal. As you can see the color. Afterwards, you'll be using your blow dryer to dry that. The reason being is because you want to get that stickiness to hold down the hair. And then you're going to align that with your center part of your natural hair. Right there. And press it down. And for a better results, you're going to have to tie that down and leave it for probably a good hour or even overnight if you wish. I'm just going to rub that in for security. And there we go. Bring that over a little bit more. I hope you guys like this video, and remember to like and subscribe. Just gonna gel it a little bit more. And this is the final look, guys. Thank you for watching.